Perseverance makes perfect. Taiwan excellence.
Chunyu is the first fastener company in Taiwan. Mr. Li Chunyu, he is the pioneer for the Taiwan fastener business. And he is my uncle. My father, he worked with Mr. Li for 11 years. Then he had opportunity to set up his own company. Gangshan Lusha area is special. It's very easy to gather resources support. So more and more people to stay here and the tree like the mother tree. Within one day, you can have the 4 or 5 company to visit. If we cannot make it, we try to find some support from another company or association that can support us.
我们在11年前的话，我们创立了全球安联。那安联是我们安拓100% 投资的。
安拓的技术本来是能盾成型，那因为接触了航太扣件，接触了精密加工的部分，那精密加工的部分其实跟人工牙根这一部分其实有相关的技术性。之前做的一些紧箍件类的东西，其实都外销到国外去。他觉得人工牙根这种东西有一种以人为本的观念，靠母公司的支持，进入了医疗器械这一个部分。
我从工作已经到目前做螺丝呢，已经45年了。有问题的话，我们都很尊重你他们的一些建议，但是也有我的坚持啊，把事情做对最重要。
所以你可以看到很多螺丝界为什么会用家族企业，就是因为现场的工作有时候会很热很脏，如果没有一种特殊的情感，可能会撑不下去，会不愿意去做。
Loose labor, the working years, the average is 30 years. Now we have the second and the third generation to work with us. It's really a big family. I like this field.
Taiwan excellence empowers innovation in everyone's life. We keep moving forward to a wonderful tomorrow, dreaming amazing dreams and living fuller lives. Everywhere, every moment, every day. Taiwan excellence, everyday excellence.
Perseverance makes perfect. Taiwan excellence.
Chunyu is the first fastener company in Taiwan. Mr. Lee Chunyu, he is the pioneer for the Taiwan fastener business. And he is my uncle. My father, he worked with Mr. Lee for 11 years. Then he had opportunity to set up his own company. Gangshan Lushu area is special. It's very easy to get resources support. So more and more people to stay here and the tree like the mother tree. Within one day, you can have the 4 or 5 company to visit. If we cannot make it, we try to find some support from another company or association that can support us.
我们在11年前的话，我们创立了全球安联。那安联是我们安拓100% 投资的。
安拓的技术本来是能盾成型，那因为接触了航太扣件，接触了精密加工的部分，那精密加工的部分其实跟人工牙根这一部分其实有相关的技术性。之前做的一些紧固件类的东西，其实都外销到国外去。他觉得人工牙根这种东西有一种以人为本的观念，靠母公司的支持，进入了医疗器械这一个部分。
我从工作已经到目前做螺丝呢，已经45年了。有问题的话，我们都很尊重你他们的一些建议，但是也有我的坚持啊，把事情做对最重要。
所以你可以看到很多螺丝界为什么会用家族企业，就是因为现场的工作有时候会很热很脏，如果没有一种特殊的情感，可能会撑不下去，会不愿意去做。
Lushu labor, the working years, the average is 30 years. Now we have the second and the third generation to work with us. It's really a big family. I like this field.
Taiwan excellence empowers innovation in everyone's life. We keep moving forward to a wonderful tomorrow, dreaming amazing dreams and living fuller lives. Everywhere, every moment, every day. Taiwan excellence, everyday excellence.
Perseverance makes perfect. Taiwan Excellence.
Chunyu is the first fastener company in Taiwan. Mr. Li Chunyu, he is the pioneer for the Taiwan fastener business. And he is my uncle. My father, he worked with Mr. Li for 11 years. Then he had opportunity to set up his own company. Gangshan Lushu area is special. It's very easy to gather resources support. So more and more people to stay here and treat like a mother tree. Within one day, you can have the 4 or 5 company to visit. If we cannot make it, we try to find some support from another company or association that can support us.
我们在11年前的话，我们创立了全球安联。那安联是我们安拓100% 投资的。
安拓的技术本来是能盾成型。
Ladies and gentlemen, online viewers from around the world, thank you for joining the Taiwan Excellence Building Material and Fastener webinar. I'm Jennifer Sheh Carson, and I will be your MC today. This webinar is organized by TAITRA, Taiwan's foremost trade promotion organization, in collaboration with the Bureau of Foreign Trade, Taiwan. Today's webinar will feature 4 Taiwanese building material and fastener companies: Kingslide Works Company, Shukai Precision Company, Trunkle Electric Machinery Inc., and Shifong Screws Company. The 4 companies will each give a presentation on their latest products. First, Mr. Simon Wang, Executive Vice President of TAITRA, will deliver his opening remarks to kickstart the webinar.
Today's speakers from 4 outstanding Taiwan building materials and fastener companies, dear online friends, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Well, again, it could be good morning or good evening or good afternoon, depending on where you are from. I'm very glad to be able to make some opening remarks. First of all, I want to update you with how the Black Swan coronavirus pandemic is devastating the world economy. Up until today, the infectious cases have passed the landmark line at over 40 million cases, and has a death toll of over 1 million. So this is really amazing. For now, many countries are suffering the 2nd or the 3rd wave of the pandemic, while Taiwan is like a bubble enclosed by a series of successful prevention measures managed by the government and the people of Taiwan's self-discipline, following the guidelines set by the government, and Taiwan's technology well applied to the prevention of the disease. To further get the picture how Taiwan handles the pandemic, please refer to our website, www.anticovid19tw.org. This is very important for your information. Let me repeat it again. Do memorize. www.anticovid19tw.org. Okay. Now, today's lead actors of webinar is Taiwan building material and fastener companies. As you are aware that Taiwan is the powerhouse in the related industry. Taiwan's hand tools in 2019 has an export of over $3.8 billion, ranked at the world's number 3. While fasteners export at $4 billion, ranked at the world's top 4. Supported by Taiwan's cutting-edge ICT industry, building materials and fasteners could produce whole bunch of data through sensors by which the function of the components can be optimized. Taiwan Excellence stands for the best products in Taiwan, certified by the government by the measures of research and development, design, quality, and marketing. Today's 4 speakers recommended by TAITRA will present to you what they can offer. Please enjoy listening. Thank you very much.
And thank you, Mr. Wang, for joining us today. The product presentation will now begin. If you have any questions anytime during the presentation, please write them down in our online questionnaire. You can access the questionnaire by clicking on the link in the video description down below. And if you wish to contact the companies featured in this webinar, please also leave a message in the questionnaire, and we will have the brand representatives contact you afterwards. The first presenter of today's webinar will be Eva Sheh from Kingslide Works Company. She will talk about Kingslide's revolutionary safety designs for home furniture drawer slides. Let's welcome Eva Sheh.
Hi everyone, my name is Eva. I'm here on behalf of Kingslide. For some of you the first time heard about Kingslide, I would like to share some information of who we are, what we do, why Kingslide, and what's new in today's presentation. Kingslide is a Taiwan-based company principally engaged in R&D and manufacturing telescopic slides and hinges for over 30 years. Backed up by advanced manufacturing technology and strong in-house design, Kingslide became a powerhouse with own branding in cloud computing industry as well as furniture hardware. Kingslide today is a listed company with occupied over the 85% market share in Taiwan and distribute to over 180 locations worldwide. Kingslide persists local productions with 2 production sites in Kaohsiung City of Taiwan. It also set up office and warehouse in Houston for United States and another one in Shanghai for China market. It also has a sales rep in UK for Europe market. To make the product more accessible for everyone, users is able to purchase our products through dealers worldwide or through our e-commerce channels. Kingslide is a company utilize its mechanism and industry design capability to provide more innovative, easy to install, user-friendly product to market. It provides total solutions involving various industries from electronic applications such as cloud computing and IT equipment like server rack, business equipment like ATM machine, cashier, printer, to residential furniture like home, and some home applications like oven, refrigerator, and office furniture. Many industry leaders like Dell, HP, IBM, Williams-Sonoma, Masco, Toto, IKEA, Whirlpool, Electrolux, and so forth are our valuable customers. Kingslide brand wasn't built in a day. There are 3 core competencies that make Kingslide surpass its competitors. First of all, Kingslide anticipates customer and market needs in advance and bring out ideas that beyond expectation. Besides product itself, Kingslide designed own tooling, production machinery, and testing machinery to make the products fast to the markets. Second, it has excellent automation productivity and own service treatment technology to provide precise and green products. Quality is core of the business, so Kingslide has a well-planned quality assurance system and in-house reliability testing lab to provide steady performance. Kingslide does not only fulfill customers' needs, but also keep improving and challenging itself to provide more impressive products. Its performance have been highly commended by government and global media and won several design awards whenever it brings out the new products. And this year, Kingslide has done it again. For being success from enterprise compacts, Kingslide wanted to give more good products to more customers, and then move to the family compacts. Nowadays, Kingslide noticed that the kitchen is involved in the term of material, functionality, and technology to help our daily activity in the kitchen, especially during the pandemic era. We don't have much choice to spend more time at home and do more home cooking. So the kitchen is now not just an area to cook, but a place to enjoy the good time with the family. So the home interior design, which is now not only pay attention to functionality, but also consider aesthetic and lifestyle by users. And Kingslide's new drawer system, SimLead, has perfectly met these criteria. It's a world-only fully integrated soft close and push open system. Now no more trouble to open your drawer when your hands are busy or dirty or have a hard time bending down to reach an item in the lower box. You can open your drawer by your body and stay elegantly. After use, it will close silently and gently. No more make yourself in a spin and create a smooth flow during your activity. This system contains a pair of slide and 2 pieces of metal side. It's a fantastic drawer options that could speed up the production that make you only need to make your own base and back. So the runners go to your cabinets, and then the slides sit on the base. And then insert your back that gives your drawer box, and then slip it in. You can have any width of a drawer, and to fit in is very easy that you don't need to cut the notch on base for the slide. Unlike the traditional metal drawer box, the side of SimLead are straight and is impressively slim at only 30 millimeter. That could maximize storage space inside and give you a sleek and modern look outside. You don't have to buy additional railing or connector accessories for different height. SimLead offers 4 different heights from 97 millimeter to 249 millimeter for storing various size of item. To maximize comfortable home, SimLead accommodates 3 innovative features. First one is ever-active push-open design. SimLead is using new slide technology that can minimize the push force that your drawer could be gently stopped when you feel resistant. The push-open motion could be set up again even when your drawer is partially extended. So unlike the traditional push-open slides that can make drawer only touch to open one time at beginning, this system is completely handleless operation. Besides users, it's also benefit designers and feeders. It gives flexibility to design the cabinet when it is organized in multiple zones. The feeders is easy to adjust a function by simple flip a switch without any tool. Following by accidents related to the furniture tipping over, safety issue is now seriously concerned by furniture industry. So SimLead came up with this optional vibration safety design that could prevent your drawer from popping out. The mechanism will be triggered when your drawer feels abnormal vibration and will lock your drawer from popping out. So your dresser will not tip over because your drawer is fully open and turn your room into the danger zone. SimLead offers a selection of colors, include white, silver, gray, and black to match with your interior design. It also offers customized motif series like below patterns to make your drawers look extraordinary. SimLead is also available if you're making the wooden drawer box. The loading capacities is available up to 40 kgs or 60 kgs. This system has passed the life cycle 100,000 times as warranty, and is also proved to be well operated under environment temperatures from -20 Celsius to 7 Celsius. It's guaranteed the lifetime of your cabinets, including but not limited to kitchen, bedroom, or any furniture applications at your home. Kingslide offers one-stop shop service for markets. Besides the high-end application, Kingslide also has a soft close hinges. Our soft close is adjustable that you can adjust closing speed, which is a unique design compared with others. It is available for frameless or face frame cabinets. The maximum door thickness is allowed to 30 millimeter. For slides, Kingslide offers various ball bearing slides with different loading capacities open customers' needs. From bedroom, office filing cabinets, or to heavy toolbox, Kingslide got the solutions for you. Same profile, Kingslide also has functional options such as soft close or push to open. To upgrade your drawer is just so easy. If you feel interested in more product detail, you may find it on www.kingslide.com or send your inquiry to sales@kingslide.com. We're at your service at all times. Thank you.
And thank you, Eva, for joining us today. And for those of you who just tuned in, if you have any questions regarding today's product presentations, please write them down in our online questionnaire. You can access the questionnaire by clicking on the link in the video description down below. And if you wish to contact the companies featured in this webinar, please also leave a message in the questionnaire, and we will have the brand representatives contact you shortly. The second presenter of the webinar will be Barry Tai, Sales Manager of Shukai Precision Company. Shukai Precision specializes in high-end construction fasteners, such as bimetal screws and ultimate performance screw anchors. Without further ado, please welcome Barry Tai.
Good day, everybody. I'm Barry from Shukai Precision Corporation Limited. It's my pleasure to represent Shukai to join this online conference show. Today, I will bring out the new generation product of concrete anchors. In the beginning, let me introduce our company Shukai. Shukai was founded in 1992 and published in Taiwan stock market in 2010. For 80 years hard work, we have a 300 employees, $33 million in 2019, obtained ISO 9001, 14001, approved by European Technical Assessment in 2015 and 16. Also, we apply the International Core Council. We have 3 locations for different productions. The headquarters is located in Kaohsiung. It's in charge of the bimetal screw production. It's our main business. Second, we have a stainless wire drawing, also located in Kaohsiung. Third, we have a hammer drill bit production in Miaoli. We distribute all of our products to the whole world, especially in Europe. Here is our testing machine for our production. Coating thickness, micro vehicle hardness, mutual measuring, metrographic analysis, pull-out testing, castaning, and soft spray testing. Here is the main testing environment for our product. This product will be introduced later. Here, first one is the concrete block. We import the concrete block from Europe to make sure the same environment for the testing laboratory. And we have an installation testing machine, torque testing machine, and pull-out testing machines. Here is the product we want to bring to you. First one is a bimetal stainless steel concrete anchors. Bimetal concrete anchors combine corrosion resistance of the stainless steel and tapping capacity of the carbon steel. It is the best solution for the outdoor application. Even in the high pollution environment, we also can provide the A4 material to prevent the failure of the anchors. For the normal product, we have a dual hardness carbon steel concrete anchors. These concrete anchors have the ductility of the shank and the tapping capacity of the tips. We use the dual hardness technology for hardening these anchors. First step, we use the case hardening to create the ductility of the shank. Second step, we use the inducting heating to strengthen the tapping capacity. It is the best choice to compare with the normal case hardening anchors. Our product have 4 features: quick installation, no expansion force, excellent vibration resistance, and removable. Quick installation, this video will show you the quick installation. We just drain the hole, clean the hole, put on the fixture and tap into the concrete anchors, then done. It's more easier to use compared to the traditional expansion anchors. So you just drill, drive, and done. It's more easier for the workers. Here is the comparison with the expansion anchors. This video, we set up the 3 pieces of the anchors. It's one of a traditional expansion anchor and another one is a concrete screw anchors. And you can see the time difference between the different products. You can see the first one, the expansion anchors. You need to drill and clean the hole and hammer to the anchors, then fasten. And you can see that we have a 30% setting time save, so it's more easier for your workers. No expansion force. The expansion force, the screw anchor is fastening by the thread tap into the concrete, and the expansion anchor is the friction of the anchor to the concrete. So the expansion anchor, you cannot use the close to the next one anchors, even in the edge of the structure. Here will be show you the edge installation between the expansion anchors and concrete screw anchors. The concrete screw anchor, you can see it will be make the crack of the concrete, so it cannot use on the edge. So if you want to use on the edge, you need to choose the screw anchors. Excellent vibration resistance. We have designed a serration under the head. It will provide a better performance to prevent and to provide the resistance against vibration. Easy removable. Our product can removable. You just immerse the anchors, then you can remove it. Application. Our product can apply on the tunnel structure, safety cone fixing, acoustical barriers, facade structure, and railing structure, supporting systems. And fixing. Facility fixing, and so on. For the architect, We provide the design software to calculate the strength to ensure the safety of the structure. Shukai product will be the best choice of the concrete structure. I'm Barry Tai from the Shukai position. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact with me. Thanks, everybody.
And thank you, Barry, for your excellent presentation. For those of you who just tuned in, if you have any questions, please write them down in the webinar questionnaire. You can access the online questionnaire by clicking on the link in the video description down below. And if you wish to contact the companies featured in this webinar, please also leave a message in the questionnaire, and we will have the brand representatives contact you afterwards. The third speaker today will be Kevin Wang from Trunkle Electric Machinery. Trunkle's products and services include automatic doors, access control systems, high-efficiency DC brushless motors, and access control-related actuation devices. Today, Kevin will introduce the company's intelligent automatic door system. Please welcome Kevin Wang.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kevin Wang. I'm the international sales representative from Tronco. It's our pleasure to be here and thank every one of you to be here listening. Before we introduce our products to you, I would like to take some time to introduce ourselves to you. We're Tronco. We were established in 1994. Our predecessor was the well-known construction company and aluminum finish company, Fung. And by the experiences we have gained from them, we have been one of the leading automatic door manufacturer in Taiwan since the day we established. And we're also proudly announced that we are Taiwan Excellence Award winner and also an ISO 9001 certificated firm. And most of our products have always passed the EN 16005 certificate and CE certificate as well. After all these years, our projects, our cases, have spanned across a wide variety of sections, from hospitals to malls, from department stores to luxurious mansions, from military bases to even yachts. And actually, it's much more than that. You're welcome to visit our website to learn more about us. Well, before I introduce our products, I would like to answer one question like some of you might already had since this presentation began. Why automatic doors, right? Well, for some of you, normal doors, manual doors seems working just fine for me. Why have to spend extra money, additional budgets to install automatic doors for myself? Well, here are some benefits I would like to show you. Hopefully you can change your mind, or even better, save your life. First, it's convenience. Imagine you're just finishing your grocery. You drive back to your home. You hop off from your car. You stand in front of your house. Well, you will face your first difficulties. Open the door. How to open it? I mean, after all, your hands are already loaded with goods, paper bags you have just purchased, right? Sometimes you're just sitting there and thinking how good it would be if the door can open itself for you. Well, it sounds like magic for manual doors, but it's certainly not for automatic doors. It's exactly what automatic doors can bring to you: convenience. And don't even mention, automatic doors is a disabled-friendly device. There's reasons why you have a chance out there. You can spot some accessible toilets. If you have a chance to spot one, there's a great chance for it to have a automatic door installed already. And sometimes it's for those disabled, this is the only choice they can have. And I do think it's our obligations to increase the disabled accessibility in our community. Well, second is access control. Like I said, you can open the door just by simply standing in front of that. But not only that, you can also use a fingerprint sensor or a card reader, or if you want to get fancier, facial recognizers is also an option. You name it, we have it. Well, because of that, and automatic doors can make your asset, can make your institutions so much safer than the manual doors can bring to you. Well, the third is probably, well, I personally thinking that is one of the most important benefits, and is highly related, highly connected with each one of us. Hygiene. Like we all know, there's a virus out there slaughtering everyone. Well, there are also researches shown that constantly touched surfaces like door handles are a perfect way to make this virus to spread, and is also one of the main reasons causes virus to be so contagious. Well, how to prevent it? Easy. Just avoid the physical contact. But it's simply cannot be done on manual doors. Well, there's reasons why people and hospitals started to use automatic doors to replace manual doors. So like I said, switching to automatic doors might save your life. Well, the last is automatic door is also eco-friendly. Right? We have so many clients, they can save, they claim that they have saved 100 or even $1,000 per month on their electric bills just by installing automatic doors. I don't know for you, but for me, it sounds like a great deal. Well, I would like to have a brief introduction of our entire product line. We also produce sliding doors, sliding gates, and telescopic doors, curved doors, heavy usage doors. Now, in this case, some door leaf can even weigh over 1,000 kilograms. Now, high-speed rollers, swing doors, folding doors, revolving doors, you have it. You name it, we have it. So if you have any needs or inquiry related, pre-mentioned, we'll come to reach us. We'll guide you through. The first product I would like to introduce to you is our CS Mini 2 sliding door operator. The reason why we developed this product is because in these 30 years, we have met so many clients out there who have the desire to install automatic doors in their property. Sometimes, is their door front, sometimes shop front, sometimes even in their house. But due to the limitation of the spaces, it just cannot be done. Well, we came through a solution. What we have done is we combined two units, the operator and motor, into one. And by doing so, we can save tons of spaces for our customers. Well, now, thanks for the CS Mini, installing automatic doors on limited spaces is no longer a dream. And it has also passed this SGS 3 million times durability test, and it's also a Taiwan Excellence Award winner, and has also passed EN 16005 certificate and also CE certificated. Well, here are some features I will like to have a brief introduction to you. The first is controlled by our in-house made smart servo brushless DC motor. It's completely made in Taiwan, made by us. Well, it supports self-detections and self-restoration. Well, what does it mean? It means it can detect what's going on, or even better, what's going wrong, and fix it for you. Not only that, you can reach every settings, just by adjusting the 5 knobs on our operator. Now, you don't need any manual books to do that. On our operator, these 5 knobs means every settings. And the third is easy cable management. Since we have saved so many spaces for our clients, the installers and maintainers can finally have those spaces to do a proper cable management. And we all know sometimes improper cable management can cause a lot of potential hazards. And the fourth is entirely modular designed. So it means if you find there's a unit is not function or is broken, simply just take it out, fix it, or after you get a working one, put it back in, it works as new. And the fifth is compact size. I mean, we have combined these two units into one, so that's the best benefit you can get. Here are some previous cases that I would like to show you. It can be installed on hospitals, in government institutions, in some operation rooms, well, in some luxurious office mansions. It's really suitable for those who want automatic doors installed on a limited spaces. For if you have this kind of need, reaches, we can guide you through. Well, the next one is swing door operator. Our swing door operator has also been the most popular one in our entire product line. Well, because we insist to offer a premium quality in a affordable price to our clients. And just like its little brother, it has also passed a lot of awards and certificates. Please refer to the right down corner. And here are some features I would like to introduce to you. Like it has ultra safety functions. It has multiple mods, and sometimes those are functions you can only find from other premium models manufactured by others, which sometimes can break your bank account, I guess. But it's not the case on us. Well, the third is it's the same modular designed, so the maintaining process is no longer a concern. And here are some cases that I would like to showcase. It can be installed on the external gate, now accessible toilets, museum, hermetic doors in some hospitals. It can be literally installed on any access, to be honest. So if you have the need, this is one of your options. Well, after this, you might ask, okay, now I've heard it all. Why Trunkle's automatic doors then? I mean, besides there are tons of brands out there, why Trunkle's? I would like to share some advantages for you. First of all, it's our price. We insist to provide the top quality in an affordable price to our clients. We believe the top quality now doesn't always equal to the top price. And the second is durability. Well, besides those certificates, tests that our product have already passed, sometimes the product says for itself. We can often see the doors which has been installed by us 30 years ago is now still working perfectly as the day one it has been installed. So like I said, the products now say it for itself. And the third is the easy maintaining process. We insist to bring our customers the best experience now, no matter on their installation or their maintenance. So it's definitely one of the benefits you can get from us. And the final one is our customer services. No matter what difficulties you have met, no matter what problems you had, just reach us. We will have our experienced customer service team to guide you through. Well, thank you for listening. And here are links of our website, Facebook, YouTube. Please visit our website and learn more about us. And thank you for listening. Be safe out there.
And thank you, Kevin, for joining us today. And for those of you who just tuned in, if you have any questions regarding today's product presentations, please write them down in the webinar questionnaire. You can access the online questionnaire by clicking on the link in the video description down below. And if you wish to contact the companies featured in this webinar, please also leave a message in the questionnaire, and we will have the brand representatives contact you afterwards. The last presenter of the webinar will be Frank Lee from Shifong Screws Company. Shifong is a specialist brand that manufactures quality screws. With ISO certifications, the company is known for pursuing excellence in quality and the use of state-of-the-art technologies. Frank will now introduce Shifong's ETA timber construction screws. Please welcome Frank Lee.
Hello, everyone. My name is Frank Lee. I'm Shifong Sales Assistant Manager. Shifong is one of the pioneer in fastener industries. We are located in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, and we are the first one to introduce the self-drilling screw technology to Taiwan. And today, Shifong is a listed company in Taiwan stock exchange markets. I will provide briefly introduction of our company so you have a more understanding of us. For Shifong, we regard ourselves as direct sourcing suppliers. We established in 1973. We have around 300 employees. Our annual sale is 46 million USD dollars. Our annual capacity is 33,000 metric tons for the maximum. And we have a customer worldwide more than 122. Now we are looking at our manufacturing facilities. We have three facilities. Firstly, our main facilities. At that facilities, we have our heat treatment line there, electronic plating line over there, and ovens. At our foaming factory, we have all our foaming machines, and also we have our automatic packaging machine there. And also we do have our rolling or optical sorting machines if customer needs. And for our third one is our coating facilities. We have 6 dip spin coating lines and 3 head coating lines. And also we have our own coating brand called Kitex Coating. For Shifong, we regard as vertical integrated manufacturing. So everything we can make in-houses, starting from the foaming, heat treatment, electronic plating, coating, and until packaging. Everything can be made in houses. We also have our automatic warehouses. If the customer have the storage concern, then that's the design for it. And Shifong, we are in 2012, we have implemented our SAP systems. It's helped for the production, scheduling, and efficiencies. And also, we are doing to have everything computerized. So can provide a customer a better delivery times and control on our systems. And for the quality controls, we have the machines like profile scanners, platings, salt spray testing machines, harness testings. And for our quality controls, every batches of the finished product is tested by high standard. So everything can be traceable. And for our certifications, we have our own ETA, and also we have our CE 14592, 14566, and so also we have A2LA. That's our certificate for our certified lab. And for Shifong, we regard as a small construction, professional construction companies. Our main focus are on the wood screws, self-drilling screws, self-tapping screws, drywall screws, triple screws, roofing screws, collector screws, furniture screws, concrete screws, and solar panel fixings. And they also can be in carbon steel or stainless steel. It's by customer choice. And today, I would like to introduce our new timber construction school for our audience. For our timber construction schools, we can provide we have 2 kinds of head, waffle head and double flat heads. They are all ETA approvals, and their material are made of C10B21 hardened materials. And we offer in the torque drive, and they have curved and partial straight. And they all have the glytimol waxed. And the arrival diameter are M5, M6, MA, and M10. The lenses are start from 40 to 500 mm. For the surface treatment, it can be in zinc plate or rubber coating. It's by customer choice. Now we are looking at the advantages. we have the milling thread design that can reduce the risk of the splitting wood. And uncurl is easy with no stress-free drills. And on the thread, it has a asymmetric thread design for the better pull-out. So it's a good selection for the professional woodwork. It is easy to handle, no pre-drill required, and comply with RoHS. Now we look at the full thread ones. For full thread, also we have two kinds of head, cheese head and double flat head. Of course, they also have ETA approvals, and they are also made with C10B21 hardened materials. And they are also offered in the torque drive. The design are full thread with fruit and the drill points. And they are also gliding mode waxed. Also, the available diameter are M5, M6, MA, M10. The lenses can start from 40 to 500. And for the surface treatments, we can offer in zinc plate or rubber coating. Now we look at the advantages. The design will, on the drill point, it will reduce, the design of the drill point will reduce the screw torque, and the fully threaded design will be maximizing the joint loading, bearing capacity, and the pull out. This screw is also a good selection for the professional woodwork. It's easy to handle and time savings. It does not require pre-drillings, but is advisable. And is also a replacement for joints, hinge, or support. And it also complies with RoHS. And thank you for my introduction. If you have any questions, you can visit our website, www.shifong.com. And also, you can also check with our website, and you can check out more of our product layer. Thank you.
And thank you, Frank, for introducing Shifong's latest product. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude the Taiwan Excellence Building Material and Fastener webinar. Please take a minute to fill in our online questionnaire by scanning the QR code on the screen or by clicking on the link in the video description down below. Your feedback will help us improve the quality of our future webinars. In the next few months, Taitra will organize more online conferences and product presentations to showcase the latest innovations from Taiwan. So please visit the Taiwan Excellence official website, www.taiwanexcellence.org, for more information. On behalf of Taitra, I would like to thank you for tuning in today. Please stay safe during the pandemic. And meanwhile, take advantage of Taitra's online showcases and trade platforms to stay connected with the industry.